Welcome to Origami Wrestling. I'm Gore Fleebles and we have an exciting show. First, let's go back.
A fun match awaits. Both wrestlers circle each other in our match of the week. Flavo backs Forshack into the corner. A clean break. And an arm drag by Flavo. Forshack is complaining to the referee that Flavo pulled his hair. Give me a break. Forshack has the advantage. Irish whip into the ropes. Shoulder block. Flavo into the ropes again. Spine buster by Forshack. Forshack picks up Flavo for a suplex. Forshack looking for. Oh! An elbow to the face.
3!
And that's it. Forshack won his very first match in Origami Wrestling, and he will be a dangerous challenge for the champion. Join me as I interview the winner. Congratulations on winning your debut match in Origami Wrestling.
Shut yo hole you. I'm here for one reason, yeah? That's to become the Origami JD champion, and that's all you need to know.
My next guest is a snazzy fellow, Lance Mutarf. Lance, welcome to Origami Wrestling. Okay, thank you, Lance. And thank you for watching this program. Next week we will have the debut of Sean Hearn Hay. See you next time.